Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this espresso machine and I have some espresso cups that I got from Empstorm as well as this one here is from Empstorm, and I have some coffee grounds that I have over here that I took out of the box just since we're not advertising coffee grounds on this one here. Here's our instruction manual for the machine. Let's see how many to get this out of here. I think I'm just gonna upside down it and hope for the best. Okay, so there we go. We got it out of the box. We have, here, back upside up again. And put a lot of pieces and parts in here. Okay, so there's some styrofoam. This is going to be the little cup measurer deal. Here's another one here. Styrofoam, we'll get those out of the way. And the plastic out of the way, and we'll show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like here from the front. And then we have a plug right here. So this is what the machine's gonna look like here. It looks like we'll be able to put our grounds, I guess depending on how it goes, in here. Might have to read some instructions to figure it all out. But that will go in there, and then, I mean, for what I used a different one before. You kind of put it in, and then turn it and turn it on. So let me go, and yeah, it'll be like that. And then we'll put it on, and then it'll do whatever it needs to do. But we're gonna have to fill this thing with water and stuff. So let me go and finish unboxing this thing here and put it all together, and then I'll be back with you guys to show you how it works. Okay, so I am back now, and basically all I did was remove a bunch of tape that was putting this thing together. And then this little bat container here comes off. I'm not gonna take it off right now, but I filled it with water, and that was it. I didn't even fill it all the way, I filled it halfway. So we're gonna try to make something here and see how it goes. Oh, I already put one of the little glasses there. So the way they say to do it is to take this thing here and do a scoop of coffee and put it in there, and then you put it in this, and then the back of this is the tamper. So then we make it nice and flat and pretty. See how flat and pretty that looks now? So that's it. I mean, we're going straight with the grounds. The other option, I'm gonna show you here real quick, because I might forget, is you can use this thing here. If you have those in espresso pods, stick a pod in here, close it up, and then stick that into the thing, and you're ready to go. So that would be the super easy way to do it. We're going the challenging way, because hey, that's how we roll. Okay, so so I've got it tamped down into the little cup. So it is basically solid block. And I'm gonna put it into this, and it kind of turns, it goes in, there's a little thing that pops out. And you do it in there, and then it goes up into here, and let's see, where's the thing? So it kind of lines up with the unlocked, and then you move it over to the locked. So now we're locked in place, and now it should go and squirt into this one here. I think we push this button to make, let's try it again. There it goes. Maybe the first time it just didn't do anything. I'm probably not gonna wanna drink this one either, because it's the first one out of the machine. It hasn't been cleaned or anything. Uh-oh, it's filling up. Oh, and there we are. Look at that. That looks pretty. So, and it just drips a little bit. And so that's probably gonna be really hot. Actually, it's not too bad. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. So that's our espresso. And one cool thing about this little tray I noticed, I don't want to put my finger in it, but you can see here that there's this little red button there. So if it does fill too much with water or goop or whatever, that kind of rises. It's a little float, so it'll rise. But look at this. So I got a nice little espresso shot. It smells like really thick coffee, which I guess is what espresso is. But okay, so that's what that particular part is. And then we have this thing here is the frother. So I think what you do for this, it's cold right now, but what I would do, I don't have any milk here, but let me see if okay, so I found a cup and I found some milk. So I'm gonna show you guys what this steamer does. It's on right now, let me turn it off. Okay, so what you do is you get some milk that you wanna steam. So right now it's cold milk, and then you put it into the steamer thing, and then you turn it on. And what it does is I don't know if you can push the button or not. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna put ridiculously hot steam into your milk. So if you like steamed milk on top of your espresso, I'll show you that in a second. So right now it's heating up my milk with steam. So that's how you make your stuff. So you can see it's kind of steaming it. It's getting a little warm. It's not hot yet. I put a lot of milk in there. And I have 2% milk. I don't know what they use at other places. You can use skim milk or something. But this is loud. If you like it foamy, you can go for the bubbling effect. but I'll turn it off here. This is pretty steamed at this moment here. What you always want to do is you always want to wipe off the little nub there so you don't get yucky milk on there. And then you go to your espresso and you can put the little steamed milk on top. I don't know how it works. Something like that. And then you have steamed milk on top of your espresso. I don't know. I'm not a huge espresso drinker. I don't know how it works. Something like that, I would say. But look at that. How pretty is that? You got everything. You got the steamer. You got the espresso maker. You can have everything. You can have your own little morning coffee. And look, I got this whole thing going in just a few minutes. Once you get to be an expert at it, it's probably quicker than making coffee in a coffee maker or any other way. So super cool, really cute. And then to take it off, we got our old pieces here. We'll take this off here and we would just dump out this little the little thing. I don't have anywhere to put it right now, but and clean it out and start over again the next day. So super cool, super easy. I mean, that's all you do is clean this thing out. So thumbs up for me. Nice espresso machine.